Hi. So I want to give you this mudra. It's Mritsamjivani Mudra. And this one is particularly useful if you are feeling stressed out or overworked, if you're not taking time to take care of yourself. This is a really good one to support self-care and just self-nurturing. It's really good for the heart. It supports healthy functioning of the veins and arteries. It supports blood circulation. Really good for heart health. So, and it can be an inspiration for self-reflection. So if you're feeling like you're just disconnected and you want to make your way back inward to a more self-aware place, this is a really good one. So, Mritsamjivani Mudra. How you make it? There's a photo there on the client portal page for you. But let's warm the hands up first to get started. I often forget this. Just want to generate some heat between the hands. Flex and release the hands a few times. Go ahead and circle the wrists both directions. Just waking up the hands. So you're going to make this with both hands. Here's how you do it. You're going to bring the index finger to the pad of the thumb, and that just closes there. These two fingers touch the thumb, so it looks like this. You got the index finger on the pad of the thumb, and then your middle finger and ring finger are touching the tip of the thumb, and the pinky is just out and relaxed. So you're going to do it with both hands. Both hands. One might be easier than the other. I know I'm a little more coordinated with my right side. And then these are just going to rest in your lap. So you can sit in this meditation for 5 to 45 minutes. 5 to 45. We're just going to do 5 for now. So I'm going to get a timer started. So with your mudra in place, just go ahead and close your eyes. Go ahead and just press the places where your index finger is touching the pad of the base of the thumb. Just a slight pressure, just so you know it's there. You can feel it. Slightly pressing the fingers into the thumb. Just activating the mudra. Letting the face be soft. Letting go of any facial expression. And softening through the chest. And softening through the belly. So you can really bring your awareness into your hands. And bringing awareness to this mudra, you are activating awareness throughout your entire system, particularly in the heart. So just easy breathing, soft chest, soft belly. And you can really feel the spirit of self-care that is occurring right now in this very moment. Breathing easily, and if the mind starts to wander, that's okay. Just come on back. Bring your awareness into your hands. You might even feel a little bit of pulsing in the places where there's a little contact, a little pressure in the fingers and the hands, beating in rhythm with your heart. Or maybe you don't feel anything, and that's just fine. It's all perfect. Just breathing, softening the shoulders. Even the slightest contact inside of a mudra is beneficial, so you don't need to keep pressing. You can just let the posture of your hands be there. Deepening into the sweetness of this moment of self-care.
Had an interesting conversation with Don. Yeah.
Maybe for this last few seconds of your meditation, just putting a slight smile at the mouth. Letting that smile bloom in your heart, your hands, every part of you. With eyes still closed, you can release the mudra and just stretch the palms open and let them relax. Take a nice deep breath. And exhale. You're welcome to stay in your meditative state for as long as you would like. Thank you so much for joining me.